BSP, and well, definitely I choose Makati because University of Makati is a Catholic institution that envisions a witnessing and a collaborative community which it depends in a spiritual activity, tapos competence, then strength and service orientation siya.
In terms of academical aspects, I would like to choose to study in Angeles University Foundation in Pampanga because their main products are Bachelor of Science in Nursing graduates, and they actually have most of their graduates are actually capable of passing the NLE or the nursing licensure exam.
Well, of course, I am a proud Yumakian. Siyempre, hindi naman ako mag-aaral dito kung hindi ko gusto. Part ako nag-i-study dito sa UMOC because of the quality of the professors. Sobrang mababait ng mga professors, tapos matataas din yung mga pinag-aralan ng mga professors dito na i-share nila to us.
Kung ano naman maidadagdag mo dito, siguro pagka-graduate ko, maghanap ng trabaho, tapos siguro kung ma-relate ko siya sa magiging trabaho ko, pwede kong i-apply or introduce sa UMAC kung kaalaman ko or kung saan man ako makarating.
In terms of facilities, I would like to study here in UMAC because as compared to them or to their facilities, mas maganda dito sa UMAC kasi mas maganda, mas maraming mga gamit, yung equipment kompleto, of course, and yun, okay lang din yung exposure. Unlike doon sa Pampanga, private school nga siya, maganda yung yung academical offers nila, kaso ang nangyayari, hindi ganun na-expose yung pasyente. Kaya pagdating sa hospital, dun pa lang nila nakahandle yung mga instruments. Unlike dito sa UMAC, meron na kami. So pagdating namin sa field, we're ready.
Number 5.
Number 5.
Hi, I'm Bernardino M. Pimentel, currently 4th year at the College of Governance and Public Policy, 4th year, Leg B, AB Political Science, major in Paralegal Studies. First, I didn't choose this university. It is the choice of my mom. Why? First, my first choice of school is De La Salle University, Manila. But my mom told me that I don't fit in that university. Why? Because some say that the LSU are for the cool ones, which means they are for the rich persons. But for me, it doesn't matter as long as you have that brains. And when you say the LSU, it has a quality of education that you can compare to other university. Though, my mom still insists that I should study at the University of Makati. In her personal reasons that it's cheaper and the quality of education is the same with other schools, which leads to forcing me to study in this university. Though I didn't want this university, as I go along the way, first year, second year, third year, my first course was computer science, and then I shifted to political science. Why? Because I didn't want the atmosphere of the computer science. But hindi naman ibig sabihin na hindi ko gusto yung atmosphere, hindi ko na gustuhan yung mga subjects. It's just that yun nga, I'm kinda frustrated when it comes to the course that I want to choose. Kasi medyo mahirap in first year, mahirap magkaroon ng idea if ano ba talaga yung gusto nating course. At the same time, if you don't like this university, at the same time, to follow na rin yung course na magugustuhan mo So now, I shifted to the political science and now I'm a 4th year. So I'm proud to be a UMACian na. But before, in my freshman year, I didn't want this UMAC and I'm not proud to be a UMAC student. But now, along the way nga, sabi ko kanina, nagustuhan ko na ang UMAC kasi because of the quality of education that they gave. Like UP, my professor told me na my professor is a graduate from UP Manila and UP Diliman, taking economics. He discussed na ang UP Manila is somehow the same with the University of Makati. Pero mas mataas ang level when it comes to the facilities ang University of Makati. In that way, sabi ko, it's nice din pala na maging umakyat ka. It's not just about the cheap university, it's not about it's a municipality funded university, but the quality of education that was given to us. Yun nga, yung mga professors dito, hindi ibig sabihin na yumak ka, yung mga professors mo dyan lang sa PUP. No! Sa political science, andi namin graduate from Malaysia. Professors namin, attorney na galing sa Lyceum, UP Diliman. So, masasabi mo ang quality of education, doon pa lang sa college namin, maganda na. What more sa iba pang college learning, education, computer science, technology management. So, ibig sabihin, it's not about the reason na cheap ang school, hindi na maganda ang quality of education. It just simply means na iba ang UMAC sa ibang school. It's not about the identity na iba yung sinasabi na ang pangit ng UMAC. Pero here sa university, I'm proud na gagraduate ako dito sa UMAC na to. And because of this university, nakapag-explore ako sa Malaysia to be one of the representative ng college namin, na makapag-discuss with the Malaysians, with the Indonesians. So it means, I'm proud to be a UMACian. Dala-dala ko yung name ko hanggang sa Malaysia. And dahil doon, they are so parang they want to join somehow the University of Makati sa mga conferences na nagaganap sa ibang Asian countries. And that, I would say, I'm proud to be a UMACian.